as I was telling, we are going to learn some basic phrases or parts of Marathi expressions or Marathi language. Alright, you can see here two columns. One is written in English and the other one is in Marathi. Okay, so you all can see. Now whatever I will say, you have to repeat. I in English is called मैं in Marathi, like in Hindi. Understood? Yes. So all of you can also repeat. I in English is मैं in Marathi. I, मैं. Repeat all of you.
Yes. I, मैं.
All of you, I say. Yes. Can some of you also switch on your camera and like say or repeat with me? Those of you who, in whose case it is possible, you can switch on your camera. Okay, let me switch on my camera as well. Alright, very good, nice. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Actually, I am facing a bit of problem here. Where is my camera? Wait. My camera is not visible to me. How could this happen? Yeah, right. My camera is visible now. So okay, no problem, Paritosh. If you have got any technical issue, not an issue with that, no problem. So, I in English is मैं in Marathi. Say I, मैं.
I, मैं.
Very good. He, tu.
He,
okay, two, not two, two. Okay, yes. Si, te.
te.
Very good. You can be tu, tumhi, apan.
You, apan.
Yes. You in Marathi is tu, tumi and apan. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Please all of you repeat this 10 times. You, tu, tumi, apan.
You, tumi, apan.
You,
tumi, apan.
Go on, very good. We are learning a language. You, tu, tumi, apan.
You, tumi, apan.
Wait a second. One student is asking a question, sir, what shall we do by learning Marathi language? Now we all are staying in India. Do you know how many languages are spoken in this country?
20.
Official languages. But beside that, there are more than 1,000 languages which are spoken. Okay, so we cannot learn all the language, but it is always advisable to learn the language. Now see, I am an Odia. I was born in Sambalpur, okay, western part of Odisha. I speak Odia, I speak Hindi, okay. I can understand to some extent Bengali. I can also speak to some extent Bengali also. Then Hindi. Wait a second. I am saying actually why Marathi is important. Being a citizen of this country, which is a federal country, okay, where we say that unity is strength, we should learn each other's languages, we should learn each other's culture, we should learn each other's food habit, okay, then only we can stay together. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so learning Marathi language, it has got an advantage. No problem with that. Yeah, very good. Malayalam, Sivani Nair, you know Malayalam?
Yes, sir.
Very good, because you are from Kerala. And in addition to that, do you also know Odia? Because you are staying in Odisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at Sivani. She is from Kerala, but she is learning or she knows Odia. Alright. And do you also have interest to learn Marathi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. So all
Yes,
of you,
sir.
yeah, please
Yes,
stay
sir.
positive and learn whichever language is possible. I have read one article, let me tell you, human mind, how much capacity do we have to learn a language? Like we can learn more than 7 or 8 languages. We have the capacity or the ability. And recently, one more thing I want to tell you, being your teacher, I started learning Japanese. I'm not going to Japan, but I want to learn Japanese. There are people from Germany who knows more Sanskrit than many Indian. There are universities where Sanskrit is being taught. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so it is always advisable to learn a language. Alright, so let us all of us stay positive and learn this. Alright, now there is like this question of advantage, like what is the advantage for me to learn the Marathi language. Another thing is that you can like know their literature, their culture, because language is a part of culture. Okay, so let us continue our discussion. We have very less time. So then it, te. It in Marathi is te. All of you please repeat. It, te. It, te. Very good. Very good. Te. Then this in Marathi is ha, he or he. This in Marathi is very good. Ha, he or he. That is this. Then that to, ti, te. To, ti, te. To, ti, te. Very good. Nice. Then a, like a book. A is a. Come, ye. Yeah. Then for come in Marathi we call that ye. And came past form of come, that is ala. Yes. Very good. Ala. Okay, जैसे Govinda ala re ala. You must have heard that song, Marathi song.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Govinda ala re means Govinda came. Alright, Govinda ala. So ala came. Will come, yell. Will come,
Will come, yell.
yell.
Will come, yell.
Very good. Open, you can see ugad. Ugad.
Open, heart.
Ugad. And opened ugade.
Open,
Ukhade nahi beta, ugade.
Ugade.
Yes, very good, very good. Nice. Will open ugadel.
Will open, ugadel.
Yes, so here we are learning some verbs also, like this come, open, then sit. Sit, bus. Not actually the bus. Bus in Odia also we call bosiva, right? Sit means
Yes.
bosiva. So bus, baith ja in Hindi. Sit, bus. All of you please repeat.
Bus.
Sit.
Sit, bus.
Yeah, sit is bus in Marathi. Then walking, to walk, chalne. Please.
To walk, chalne.
To eat, what is to eat? Khane. Similarly, in Hindi also it is khane or khana, right?
Yes, sir.
And in our language it is khaiba. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. In all. Yeah.
Yeah. Similarly, drink, pine.
Drink.
Is that pine or pene?
Pene.
Pene, not pine. It is pene. A. Pene. Drink is pene. Understood?
To drink, pene.
Right. Then to win, jinkane.
To win, jinkane.
To win, that is jinkane. Then go, ja. Go is ja. Ja everywhere. Actually in Odia also we call ja. Okay. To run, what is to run, by the way? Dhavne. Okay. To run is dhavne. Now see, I go. What will it become in Marathi? Yes. Me jato or me jate. Me jato or me jate. Please repeat, all of you.
Me jato.
Yes. And he goes or she goes, he goes, it is tu jate. To jate. To jate.
तू जाते
Wait. To jato, not jate. To jato.
तो जाते
And she goes is ti jate.
जाते
Yes.
ती जाते.
So jate is for it is feminine, and jato it is masculine. For male members,
Yes.
jato feminine, that is your jate. Understood? Now he eats an apple. Who can say what is
तो
written?
सफरचंद खातो.
Ah.
तू
तू
सफरचंद खातो ती सफरचंद खाते
Yes, for girls it will be ti saparchand khate, and for boys it is to saparchand
खाते
khato. All right, nice, very good. All of you are doing very well. Okay, next one. He is eating an apple.
तो सफरचंद खातो आहे
तो सफरचंद खातो
गर्ल ती सफरचंद खाते आहे
Yes, to saparchand khato ahe or ti saparchand khat ahe. So this is present progressive. He is eating an apple or she is eating an apple. Who can tell me what do we call apple in Marathi?
सफरचंद.
सफरचंद
Yes, saparchand. Okay, saparchand, that is apple. Then he ate an apple.
सर
याने
त्याने
सफरचंद
खाले
खाले
तिने सफरचंद खाले
For girls.
सफरचंद
Yes, she ate an apple, that is tine saparchand khale. I saw the film last week. मैं मागच्या
पहिली
मैं मागच्या आता युद्धात फिल्म
फिल्म पहिली
पहेली. Okay, a little difficult, because this is first time that we are learning these expressions. But maybe if we will continue, we can learn. Okay, मैं मागच्या आता युद्धात फिल्म पाहिली. She came by bus yesterday.
ती काल बस
से आली
Yes, that is ती काल बसने आली.
आली
Yeah, ती काल बसने आली.
They
Now,
went to the mosque.
they went to the mosque. Okay, not mosque, that is mosque. Huh? Yeah.
ते
So-
मंदिरात गेले.
गले
Okay, mandirat gale. Okay, I think there it should be like masjid gale or something, because mandir, the word we associate with temple, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
सर
Yes. Okay. Then next one. He slept the whole night.
तो पूर्ण रात्र झोपला.
Tu purna ratra jopla.
झोपला
Tu purna ratra jopla, right? That is, he slept the whole night. Next one. He wrote well in the examination.
त्याने पेपर चांगला लिहिला.
Yeah, he wrote well in the examination. त्याने पेपर चांगला लिहिला. त्याने पेपर चांगला लिहिला. Yes. He has eaten
त्याने खाले.
and yes, and she has eaten.
तीने
तिने खाले.
तीने
खाले.
खाले. तीने खाले.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He had eaten.
त्याने खाले होते तिने खाले होते.
याने खाल्ला होते.
त्याने खाल्ला.
त्याने खाला होते, that is he had eaten, and for she had eaten it is तीने खाले होते.
तिने खाले होते.
He had gone. तो गेला होता.
ती गेली होती.
ती गेली होती. Yes, nice. He had come.
तो आला
तो आला होता.
तो आला होता
तो आला होता. And what is the other one?
ती आली होती.
ती आली होती
ती आली होती. He will eat.
तो
तो
खाली
खाईल.
तो खाईल. And she
ती खाईल.
will eat.
तो खाईल.
Yes, she will eat is this ती खाईल. He will go.
Yes, sir.
तो
तो जाए.
जाईल. ती जाईल.
जाए
तो वो जायल और ती जायल. Okay. Next is your yeah, तो जायल. He will come.
तो ये
T-L.
Yeah, she will come. It is TL. What is your name?
तुझे नाम के आगे
तुझे आपले नाम क्या आहे?
Right. There are so many actually, in different ways that we can ask. तुझे आप नाव क्या आहे और तुमचे नाव क्या आहे और आपले नाव क्या आहे. Okay. Then what? क्या? Your. Yes. For your we use तुमचे, आपले और तुझे. Understood?
तुझे तुमचे apple.
Yeah, apple. So as like apple, okay, apple. So there are so many expressions in Marathi that you came to know. Okay, did you find it little interesting? Yes. Now before this pandemic, if you remember, we were having different activities in the morning assembly on this Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Abhiyan. You remember?
Yes.
So similarly, under that program, nowadays also we are having these activities. So learning of the Marathi language, because by Government of India, our state Odisha has been associated with Maharashtra. Maharashtra is our partner state. Student of Maharashtra, they are learning Odia language or Odia culture, Odia food habits, Odia festival. We will be learning about Marathi language, Marathi festival, okay, or the food culture of Maharashtra. Understood? Yeah, Susan is asking a question how they are learning. As I am teaching you the way, similarly they are also learning Odia language. Their teachers are teaching them Odia. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you for joining and learning Marathi language and also the part of CCT that we conducted.